Have you noticed? Since the passage of the tax deal, President Trump has become, if it's possible, even more confident. He's got a bigger nuke button than Rocket Man. He's going to start his own fake news awards, and Steve Bannon has lost his mind. This is an emboldened president. And so is the market. Investors clearly emboldened by tax cuts. They're pouring money into stocks. If you're just joining us, the financial news is nothing short of spectacular. I've been covering money on TV for 40 years, and I've never seen anything like this. Since the election, all the major indicators have gone up by roughly 1/3. How many times have we said, check your 401k and smile? Well, do it again. You're going to like it. And this record-shattering rally has added nearly $7 trillion to the value of America's companies. Never, ever seen anything like that before in that time frame. The value of the big five tech companies has zoomed to well over $3 trillion. And Apple is on track to become the first trillion-dollar company. Now, this picture of confidence is directly opposite to what you're seeing in the media. You think America is down in the dumps if you watch and read what the other guys are putting out. So stay with us. Sit back and watch financial history unfold. It's a very positive story. An emboldened Trump and your money is doing very well.